So we are in Saga Prefecture, which is in the southern island of Kyushu. And this area is called Kurume, or it's in the outskirts of Kurume, which is a city in Saga Prefecture. And this is a ryokan called Fukahoritei. Again, a boutique luxury Onsen, hot springs ryokan. And we're in a room called Karin. In English, it's spelled K-A-R-I-N, pronounced Karin. And so let's take a look. This is about 68 square meters. And we're staying here for the night. You see that they're taking the COVID measures seriously. All right, so you walk in and come over here. Well, this is just a sink, mini bar, coffee machine, tea, water. And then this is the main living area. So this is the Western style living room. And then over here is the Japanese style. It's sitting on a floor on a mat, like a pillow. They call it I'm blinking out. Anyways, so zabuton, yeah, is what those little mats are called in a tatami area. You can see outside they're doing some construction. I guess they're either making a glamping style annex or something else, according to rumors. So let's come over here. You get a little closer look. The Western style living area. Stylish wooden beams here, kind of reminiscent of Sanso Muratan, which is a famous ryokan in Yufuin in Oita Prefecture. Anyways, behind this thing, there's a small closet. They also have the extra futons for if you have a large party of people who want to stay in these rooms, and they'll put it out, lay it out in that Japanese sitting area. Anyways, this is the bedroom. You can actually close it with these rolling doors like this, but we won't do that for the purpose of this shoot. Right, another small little compartment, desk. Anyway, so this is the main living area and the bedroom. You know, Saga Prefecture, it's not known as a tourist hotspot, especially not for non-Japanese. There's a couple of really nice areas, nothing UNESCO or crazy groundbreaking, but for us, we went to Yoshinogari, which is a historic village and exhibit, and it's a recreation of a village that was excavated in the area. It's really nice education of Japanese as they lived during, from 300 BC to about 300 AD, which is about the same time as the Roman times. So it's the foremost historic, I guess, park, if you will, of the Yayoi period in Japanese history. There's also a Karatsu, which was an ancient historic city with a nice castle. There's a Yutaki Inari Shrine, which is one of the top 3 Inari shrines in Japan, along with Kyoto's more famous Fushimi Inari Taisha. And we were also in Yanagawa area, which is known for its eel food, unagi, among other things. I'm sure I'm missing a lot of other stuff. But anyways, so it's an overlooked part of Japan, but hey, it's hard to argue with this. Onsen, natural, free-flowing hot springs bath, nicely auto temperature regulated, semi-indoors, but you know, it's kind of open air if you look here. But also, if you really want the full outdoor experience, you got it right here. So yeah, you can have it all. Anyway, so this is Fukahoritei. It's one of the renowned ryokans in Saga Prefecture. And so if you're in the Kurume area or Yanagawa area or Yoshinogari Yayoi Historical Park, it's worth a visit. Also, it's not too far from Arita and Imari, which is also one of the foremost pottery areas, ceramics areas of Japan, which could make for some nice shopping. So I'm sure I'm missing a few other places. Anyways, this is Fukahoritei near Kurume in Saga Prefecture in Kyushu, Japan. Hope you enjoyed.